Are you an ambitious entrepreneur looking for funding and mentorship to fuel your startup's growth? Look no further. Introducing the Indian Angel Network, one of the largest and most active angel networks in the country, empowering startups and shaping India's entrepreneurial landscape. Indian Angel Network invests in a wide range of sectors, including technology, healthcare, retail, and many more. They support startups at various stages of growth, from early stage to growth stage companies, providing the necessary resources and guidance to thrive. With an impressive portfolio of over 100 successful startups, Indian Angel Network has been instrumental in the growth of companies like Deruva, Wowmomo, Spinny, Concha Medical and several others. Your startup could be next. Don't miss this opportunity to be a part of India's thriving startup ecosystem. Connect with the Indian Angel Network and unlock your startup's true potential. Visit indianangelnetwork.com to learn more and apply today. Indian Angel Network, empowering entrepreneurs, shaping the future.